Hi, I'm David and welcome back to Baking Unafraid. For today's episode, we're making red velvet cupcakes. Oh, aren't these things so cute? So let's get started making our red velvet cupcakes. First, we're gonna mix together all of our wet ingredients. That includes vinegar, buttermilk, vegetable oil, vanilla, 2 eggs, and a whole bottle of red food coloring. Mix all of those ingredients together in a bowl and you're gonna whip it. Whip it good. Whip it real good. Whip it. Whip it good. Yeah, whip it real good. And once it gets all whipped together, it'll be a nice red velvety color. Set that aside. Next, I'm adding the dry ingredients to the bowl. The dry ingredients include flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking soda, and salt. Mix together your dry and wet ingredients until it's a nice velvety consistency. The last thing I do to make it more unique is I add in a cup of mini chocolate chips. I just love a red velvet cake with mini chocolate chips in it. I think it makes it super special and really tasty. Use your handy scoop if you got one or a spoon and scoop out that batter into a pre-lined cupcake pan. Bake your cupcakes at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes. Let them cool completely out of the pans. Once your cupcakes are nice and cool, it's time for that cream cheese frosting, my favorite part. And just do a simple swirl. Last thing to do, taste test. I am so excited for this. Oh my goodness. This is the best red velvet cupcake. Those chocolate chips, that cream cheese frosting, and it is so moist and smooth. You are going to love this. You have to try this recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish my cupcake. Keep baking unafraid and be you. Oh boy.